What's going on, YouTube? Today is the day we finally get the Scrambler out of hibernation. Poker run's coming up this weekend, Saturday, so I figured why not give it a little love. I stopped to Adirondack on the way home, picked up a belt, spark plugs. I only have like maybe 100 miles on this bike. Last time I did an oil change, so not too concerned about that. We'll check the level, whatever. Go through the whole thing, check ball joints, wheel bearings. Yeah, pretty much. I just took it around the yard quick. And the belt actually doesn't feel too bad. I mean, Assassinators with stock clutching isn't usually ideal for belts. So I usually end up going through it when I was riding it a lot, about 2 a year. But we're going to put the road tires on it. So I got a set of Maxxis Coronados, and they are 27s. The backs are 11s, the fronts are 9s, I believe. So we're gonna put those on because we're probably gonna be doing about 100-mile ride ish, something like that. And yeah, this is just really rough. So, and we'll check the front ball joints, wheel bearings, bushings. We'll grease the whole thing. Same with the back. We'll check all the bushings, wheel bearings, grease it all, set the shocks, because right now I have the rebound pretty stiff, so there's not so much travel, because when you leave it really soft and you have no lift kit and you're running 29.5s, it'll rub right through your footwell. So yeah, basically what we're gonna do is get this front end lifted up, check the front end over, grease it all if it's good. If it's not, they have ball joints and wheel bearings out there, so I'll have to go get those. Well, to start off, we definitely need lower ball joint on this side. Upper seems pretty tight. Then on this side, it's not as bad. And there's some flex, which I believe is a lower as well. It's hard to tell with one person here, but yeah. So basically, this side's got to get stripped off, get the lower out, get a ball joint pressed in it. I'll pick the ass end up, do the same quick. I'll switch these tires while I'm at it though. Alright, well, I got the tires on. I'm gonna blow them up, they're soft. So 2 lower ball joints to the front, I gotta change. Adirondack has those, so I'll have those picked up on the way home. I'm gonna go up to Connors and press them in up there. It'll be way easier, way quicker. But so for now, we'll just get these tires aired up. And then I'll probably change spark plugs quick for the ball joints to get here, and then we'll run up there and sew them in. But other than that, I mean, the rear end felt okay. Might just need to grease the bushings. It felt like there might be a little play in wheel bearing, but I don't know, it's hard telling. So I'm going to assume that it's probably just bushings. So I'll blow these tires up, so the plugs in it quick, and then we'll go from there. Okay, we're up at Connors. As you can see, I forgot to record, but got the ball joint out on this side. I already did the other side. It's got a new ball joint in it right there. The iron bolts are back in. You gotta just tighten the side up. That'll be done. Pretty straightforward. You can get to everything really easy. Little hammer, knock knock. These popped right out. Take a rubber mallet, pound the new ones in. I'll show you that here quick.
Yeah, fucking shit isn't cheap Florida no more though.
Nothing's cheap anymore.
I mean, even though like the malls or little store, I mean, some of them, yes, outlet stores and shit you gotta go to, but used to be everywhere you went to was cheap to eat, cheaper. It ain't cheaper to eat no more down there.
Right.
I mean, you get out of the Orlando area maybe, but.
Just like that, ball joint's in. Put your little Jesus clip in that they gave you. Right there. Slap it back in. Just like this side. The iron bolts are back in. This side. Ball joints in. Bolts in. Tighten her all up. Alright guys, she's all wrapped up. Everything's back together. I greased the whole front end, greased the rear end, checked differentials, air filter's good. Might throw plugs in it tomorrow. The belt's pretty good. I'm going to take it up and down the road a few times. I might just bring this belt I just bought. Might just bring it with me just in case. But it actually feels pretty good. It's funny when you go from 29.5-inch assassinators with 3-inch lugs that weigh 50 pounds a piece to some normal tires. All of a sudden the bike's just fast as hell again. So I think it'll probably be okay. If not, we'll just change belt inside the road. Hopefully we don't have to, but ball joints are in, everything's solid. So we'll set her on the ground. Oh, I did just put my mount on the helmet, so you guys can come along for a ride this weekend, I guess. 1390 poker run. We'll just go have a good time. Shocks are getting a little leaky, which means they'll get rebuilt here sometime in the future. And then when we do that, this whole thing's probably getting completely stripped down and redone. New powder, new paint, the whole nine. So for now, that's a wrap. That's lower ball joints done quick. This is just a short video. Throw it up there, show you getting ready, prep. Like I said, everything's good. Oil's good, coolant's good, air filter's good. Spark plugs tomorrow, maybe. I'm going to probably just pull them out and see how the old ones look. Yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned. The ride is Saturday, and I should be able to get a video up hopefully Sunday of the ride. But I'll throw this video up tonight, just a quick little update on what's going on with her. So Scrambler's out of retirement, guys. It should be fun. I'll throw a little riding clip on the way back down to the house from Connor's. Give you a little taste. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you this weekend.